Carboxylic acids. See, carboxylic acids are very important. In fact, we can say the most important functional groups of the organic compounds. Now, the major group in this is this carbonyl group, which is having what? An OH group on one side and an alkyl chain on the other side. Due to this OH group, they are called acids. So this is the general structure of the carboxylic acids. If this is R, these will be called aliphatic carboxylic acid, and this R is a benzene ring in place of this, they will be called aromatic carboxylic acids. Let us first see their nomenclature. In their nomenclature, in IUPAC nomenclature system, they are called alkanoic acids. So, oic acids is the suffix which is added to their name. In their common nomenclature, we write acids common name plus ic acid as the suffix. Now, acid's common name is derived from usually from its source. Let me write down the examples. The first one in the category is this one carbon acid, which is called methanoic acid. In common language, it's called formic acid. So it's called formic acid. The 2-carbon acid is called ethanoic acid or acetic acid. The 3-carbon acid is called propanoic acid or propionic acid. Similarly, if you are having an acid on cyclohexane ring, it should not be called cyclohexanoic acid because there are 7 carbons. So we call it cyclohexane carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is the alternate name which has been given by the IUPAC once we are not able to count the acids groups carbon into the chain. And this common name will be cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. That is why when this group is present on the benzene ring, it's basically called benzene carboxylic acid, which basically is also called benzoic acid, which was its usual common name, but now it is being IUPAC accepted because benzo means a benzene with 7th carbon which is having no hydrogen. So that's called benzo plus ic, though that is how this compound has got its name, benzoic acid. Now let me give you some more examples of the common acids which we have. Like if we have 2 acid groups like this, remember it's called oxalic acid. In common nomenclature, it will be called ethane 1,2-dioic acid. The other example is of this type of acid which is called malonic acid. It will be propane 1,3-dioic acid. It will be, this one is called succinic acid. This will be butane 1,4-dioic acid. Similarly, if we have 2 acid groups on the benzene ring as their adjacent positions, it's called phthalic acid or benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. So this is how we name the different carboxylic acids. Now let us see first their structure. What you need to understand is this carbonyl carbon is sp2 hybridized. So this is trigonal planar, and this compound shows resonance like this, in which what we find is we have positive charge on the oxygen. As a result, very easily this is withdrawn and it gives us what? This kind of carboxylate ion. Which itself is resonatingly stabilized. Now let us see the preparation methods of carboxylic acids.